Please, do not worry about upstaging me. Because... guess who Helen is friends with and who's designing my wedding dress? Lady St. Petswa Juju.
I just sent my measurements to France, y'all. Where were you when I was getting married, bitch?
Ladies, let's not decide on this bridesmaid's dress straight away. Let's let our bodies decide, try some things on, and have some fun. Okay?
Yeah, let's have some fun.
Ladies,
girl.
start your entrance. Oh, Lil.
Ladies, if I may interject, I just want to say you all look stunning. That's a given, head to toe. But sadly, we need to agree on one.
Well, I mean, ladies, you all look beautiful, but I just think, personally,
The Fritz Bernays is just,
It's a Bernays.
it's one of a kind. I don't think there's a question.
No question. Well, there might be a question. I might have a question. I think this dress would look great on everybody. It's a great color. It's a great length. It's fun. You can twirl. You can move in it.
Oh.
You can spread your legs apart, and it's a great price.
This is designer as well.
Is anyone else hot?
It is like an
Yeah,
oven
it
in
is,
here.
right?
Okay, well, maybe this might help you decide. While you gals were in the changing room, I happened to rustle up a 2-year-old lady's juju dress in storage. I had Lillian put it on so you could see what you'll be standing next to. Lillian, honey?
Beautiful lady. Breathtaking.
Oh, shit, you look amazing.
I mean, that's a
That
dress.
dress is so pretty, it makes my stomach hurt.
Lillian, I don't know what to say. You look... Megan, are you okay?
Oh,
I think my dress was probably just tight.
Oh my god. You got food poisoning from that restaurant, didn't you?
no, I had the same thing that she had, and I feel fine. Oh, my, okay.
Oh no. Nothing's happening.
Oh, my God.
You know, I don't really care which dress we get. It doesn't matter to me. I just need to get off this white carpet.
No, okay, no, not the bathroom. Everybody, go outside. I'm serious. There's a bathroom across the street.
Everybody has the flu.
You don't look very well, Annie. I feel fine. Are you sure it wasn't that gray kind of lamb, or you ate a lot of that weird chicken? Is it that? No. I feel fine. I think you'd just feel better if you threw up. No, I don't have to throw up.
I'm so sorry.
Get away from me!
You're not sick. No. In fact, Helen, I'm hungry, and I wish I had a snack. Hungry? Starving.
What did we eat? Whoa! Things are gone. What are you doing? Coming out of me like lava. Don't you fucking look at me! Ah!
Jordan almonds. They're great. Thank you. Better?
Oh, she's hungry.
Yeah, everybody's really sick from that restaurant. Oh.
But it wasn't the restaurant.
No.
Lillian,
Oh, no.
where are you going?
I need the bathroom.
Oh, no, where are you going?
Be careful! What are you doing? It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. It happened. It happened.
Oh no! Don't you dare ruin that dress!
Well, you're really doing it, aren't you? shitting in the street.
We'll just take 5 of the fruits, Bernice. Thank you, Whitney. They really do look better.